Do you ever wonder what the healthiest foods to start your day with are? Breakfast, the first meal of the day, holds immense power. It sets the tone for your energy, focus, and overall well-being throughout the entire day. Many of us gravitate towards convenient, yet not so healthy options. But what if we told you there's a way to start your day off on a healthier note? We've curated a list of nourishing breakfast foods that can do just that. Stay tuned as we unveil the top 11 healthiest foods to incorporate into your morning routine. Starting off our list at number 11, we have oatmeal. This humble breakfast staple is packed with fiber, specifically a type called beta-glucan that helps reduce cholesterol and promotes feelings of fullness. It also contains antioxidants, which can help reduce blood pressure. Moving on to number 10, let's talk about Greek yogurt. Not only is it a delicious and versatile breakfast option, but it's also rich in protein, which can help curb your appetite throughout the day. It's also teeming with probiotics, promoting a healthy gut and immune system. Finally, at number 9, we have berries. These sweet and tangy fruits are low in calories but high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Regular consumption can help improve blood sugar and insulin response, making them a perfect addition to your morning routine. These 3 foods alone could transform your breakfast into a powerhouse of nutrition. Moving on to number 8 on our list, we have eggs. A powerhouse of protein, eggs are a breakfast staple for a reason. They are packed with essential vitamins and minerals and can keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. Next up, we have green tea. This antioxidant-rich beverage can kickstart your metabolism in the morning and help in detoxification. Plus, it's a great way to hydrate and get your day off to a calm start. Number 10 on our list is nuts. These little powerhouses are packed with heart-healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They can give you a burst of sustained energy and keep you feeling satisfied until lunchtime. Last but not least, let's talk about protein shakes. They're an excellent choice for those on the go. They are packed with essential nutrients and can help in muscle recovery and growth, especially if you're an early morning exerciser. Incorporating these foods into your breakfast can truly make a difference in your overall well-being. And finally, at the top of our list, we have whole grain bread. This powerhouse of nutrition is packed with fiber that keeps you feeling full and satisfied throughout your morning. It also contains essential nutrients like B vitamins, iron, and magnesium, which are crucial for energy production and overall health. Next up, the ever-popular avocado. Not only are they delicious, but they're also teeming with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber. Plus, they provide a good dose of vitamin K, folate, and vitamin C onto flax seeds. These little seeds are a goldmine of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. They are also rich in lignans, which have powerful antioxidant and estrogen properties. And last, but certainly not least, never underestimate the power of water. Hydrating first thing in the morning helps kickstart your metabolism, aids in digestion, and promotes healthy skin. So, there you have it, the 11 healthiest foods to kickstart your day. Let's quickly recap the top 11 healthiest morning foods we discussed today. From fiber-rich oats, protein-packed eggs, to antioxidant-filled blueberries, we've covered a variety of nutrient-dense options. We also highlighted the benefits of Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and flax seeds, along with the goodness of green tea, bananas, avocados, and almonds. Let's not forget the ever-versatile quinoa. Remember, a healthy breakfast is the best way to start your day right. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.